फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गीतिका गुप्ता। आज की वीडियो में हम करेंगे some terms related to refraction of light. Let's begin with the terms. First one is incident ray, जिसके related करेंगे angle of incidence. Second is normal. Third is refracted ray, जिसके साथ हम करेंगे angle of refraction. Fourth one is emergent ray, जिसके साथ है angle of emergence. Fifth is medium. Sixth is rarer and denser medium. And the last topic will be bending of light. So let's begin with the terms. Refraction of light हमेशा transparent और translucent objects पर होती है. It never occurs on an opaque object. Why? Because refraction of light means when a ray of light passes through a surface. So only transparent and translucent objects or surfaces can allow light to pass through. So we will take a glass slab for the refraction of light. We have taken a rectangular glass slab. First term is incident ray. Incident ray always falls obliquely on a surface. Refraction takes place when an incident ray falls obliquely, means incident ray टेढ़ी डायरेक्शन में इस सरफेस पर स्ट्राइक करेगी. दिस इज आवर ग्लास स्लैब. दिस इज आवर इंसिडेंट रे. इंसिडेंट रे जिस पॉइंट पर स्ट्राइक की, let us name it as O. At O we will draw a perpendicular to this surface. एक परपेंडिकुलर क्या होता है? Suppose we have this surface. हम इस पर 90 डिग्री पर जो लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, that makes 90 degree angle with this surface. This is called as a perpendicular. So हम at point O we will draw a perpendicular. This perpendicular is termed as the normal. So हमारी second term है normal. Normal is the perpendicular to this surface. Next क्या है? This is the incident ray. Incident ray normal के साथ जो एंगल बनाएगा, that is the angle of incidence. That is the angle of incidence. जब ये लाइट, इंसिडेंट लाइट यहाँ स्ट्राइक करेगी तो ये बेंड हो जाएगी. It will bend. Now this ray is called as the refracted ray. This is called as the refracted ray because ये इस सरफेस पर रिफ्रैक्ट होकर, बेंड होकर इस डायरेक्शन में आ गई. Between the normal and the refracted ray, the angle made by the refracted ray with the normal is called the angle of refraction. So this refracted ray strikes the surface, suppose at point P. इस point P पर हम एक और normal draw करेंगे. अब ये ray फिर से bend होकर बाहर आएगी from the glass slab. जब ये ray बाहर आती है तो हम इसको कहते हैं emergent ray. So हमारी final ray emergent ray होती है. This emergent ray also make some angle with this normal. This is called the angle of emergence. So हमारी ये terms हो गई. Incident ray that strikes the surface, first surface. Angle of incidence is the angle made by the incident ray with the normal. Now what is normal? Normal is the perpendicular drawn at the surface. This incident ray bends into the glass slab. It is called refracted ray, the bent ray. The refracted ray makes an angle with the normal, which is called angle of refraction. And finally it comes out of the glass slab as the emergent ray. This emergent ray makes an angle with the normal, which is called the emergent angle of emergence. Very good. Now our other term is medium. Now what is medium? Medium is any path through which a ray of light passes. A medium can be, for example, solid, it can be liquid, or it can be gas, for example, air. So these are the various media through which a ray of light passes. आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट टर्म्स की ओर, विच आर रेयर मीडियम, डेंसर मीडियम एंड बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट. मीडियम टू टाइप्स के होते हैं, रेयर मीडियम एंड डेंसर मीडियम. रेयर मीडियम इज दैट which has less density, means which has quite loosely packed particles, while denser medium is that in which the particles are very tightly packed. We take the example, we have a solid substance and a liquid. As compared to liquid, solid is a denser material and liquid is a rarer medium. If we talk about liquid and gas, in this case, liquid is a denser medium while gas is a rarer medium. So, related to this medium, we have bending of light. Light ray bends when there is a medium change. In our diagram, we have two media, air and glass slab. Air is our rarer medium, while glass slab is our denser medium. Again we have air, so it is rarer medium. Now let us see how does the bending of light depends on the medium. Here the incident ray is in the air, but at this point O, there is a medium change. How? The incident ray is entering the glass slab, means it is going from rarer to denser medium. So, bending of light occurs when a medium changes. The ray of light, incident ray, it bends towards a normal. When a ray of light goes from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards a normal. Otherwise, its tendency was to go in this direction, in a straight line. We all know a ray of light always moves in a straight line, but due to medium change, it has bent towards normal. Now at this point P, it is again facing a medium change. How? It is going out of the glass slab into the air. So it is going from denser to rarer medium. In this case, the ray of light will bend away from the normal. So, bending of light takes place when there is a medium change. A ray of light bends towards a normal when it moves from rarer to denser medium. And when it moves from denser to rarer medium, the ray of light bends away from the normal. Bending of light is the main concept behind the refraction of light. I hope my video will prove helpful to you in clearing the terms related to refraction. Thank you.